Ki nyongut ki nong siat suloi ki bamlat ban keren ki batip kum ki para shooting pistol bat rifle ki lapan pau ya ka jingkemen baki yo kalat ban ya shimbanta hak 6th Meghalaya Games ka balong hajuai. Kini ki nyongut ki nong siat suloi ki kentup ya sangut ki kentai bat laingut ki shinrang. Barok kini ki nong elek kai kila ai kublai ya ka Shooting Association of Meghalaya ka baple lat iki ban yo ya ka rensan ban ya shimbanta hak ni ka lumpung ba ka jela. Kani kalumpung ngelek kai kan sakhi ka jinga shimbenta palat lai jar sans pa ngot ki nong ngelek kai ki banya khun banyo ik khan rus pa tali ki medal hai ki arpulai tali ki jaka yelek kai bakan thop ya artali ha shilong bat light kor.
Your name? One W-A-N-J-I-N-G-K-M-E. One Jingkemen Thompson. He is from Penursula. Y-O-M-I-K-Y. Yomiki Lingdo Nanglait. He is from West Khasi Hill. N-E-N-G-G-A. Nengba Armaraki from West Khasi. M-A-N-I-P-A. Manika Pasi. She is from West Jantia Hills. Phoebe Sophronia. She is from Nongspang, West Khasi Hill. A-N-G-U-D-I-C. And Judika Tharnyang. She is also from West Khasi Hill. E-A-A-I-H-U-N-S-H-I-S-H. Daihun Shisha. Yaupnyao. She is from Shillong. Boss. This is the first time in West. The first time here. And how do you feel? Good. I like shooting.
You all like shooting?
Very interesting.
Shooter for next video, please get ready.
Jadi hakpor ba nagkiwan na ka Shooting Association of Meghalaya kiwan ban include lang yaki hearing impaired ki disable mo ki Shooting Association of Meghalaya de kiwan le demo ak school jungi ante Bethany Society, but we are not Bethany Society. Di la kajong we falls under Society for the Welfare of the Disabled. The school jungi ka School and Center for Hearing Handicapped Children is under the SWD, Society for the Welfare of the Disabled. The Shooting Association of Meghalaya kawan le demo ban include lang yaki disable na yaki wan jet yaka school jungi kiwan le demo school jungi kiyo nyo kendai ngut kena the way kena kai sura lap mo kapor de ngiyo ni kini nyongut kijit buru nyongut di beladi le demo di sapungut yai tikisha select kendai ngut di arngut kimla sure namar badai ke kam emergency jo ki yeng kimla sure ban le continue di kita ki kendai ngut di Shooting Association ka select ki nyongut di nang topat kisel practice sampai hadam training under the training of Miss Bala juga Shooting Association of Meghalaya. Banang tu kila lele bun ki competition ki state open but ki state open but ki dah state open but mentah ke digende ka Meghalaya Games ki bile kini dan laingut ki rifle sangut ki pistol. Kami kidan hapor pakidang le school ngali alam mga school jungi saka syarrange ngali alam maka every Saturday and teng haki por holiday ngali alam ki namara kapor borok school melap reki ngali alam maka tedan pat kide ki bala pass out kumne neng ba ban jingkemen ki badi ex student ki wan hi ni ki practice at least 3 days a week ki practice kini pat kini barang school mentah kilet 2 times a week.